Alright, let's see if I can display this phone or it doesn't fall. Well, it's kind of crooked, but so I got a couple more stuff. I got a pair of pliers. These are like 53, I think. Yeah, 53. These are like for example, if someone comes and they have like a nail on the tire, then you can grab the nail and pull it out. That's basically all it is for, but you know, something that comes in handy. And then I grabbed 5 more of these. Um, these are 1 liter. I grabbed 5 of those. I grabbed about 10 of these and 10 of these. These are inner tube tires. One is smaller than the other one. Different sizes, of course. But I don't know where to display them. I put some right here, and then I put some brake shoes right here on the other side so you can see them. And I put a little bit of oils right here, and a couple more brake shoes right here. But I still got a lot right here. so yeah. And I don't know where to put them. I got some nails right here that I can hang some stuff.
Borrow the hammer.
You want to borrow the Hummer?
Hello! Hi to my big daddy's super pack.
she's touching my 6-pack.
One.
Hammer, babe. Hammer.
I said hammer, babe. Martillo! Give me the martillo.
It's in the store.
Really?
Yeah, the box underneath, that's where the hammer. My wife is always saying something wrong, and I'm like, no, you say it like this, and then she's like, no, you say it like this. I'm like, okay. So I don't know how to put these. I could put them like this. They'll chill right there. Looks like they're gonna chill. Oh, this is Sapphire brand. Say Sapphire tube right here. Made in the Philippines. These are the 250s. 250s. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the 250s here, and then I'm gonna work this way, and then put the bigger sizes this way. They only have 250s by 17s and 275s for now.
Oh, interior.
Yeah.
Di dapat dito.
Interior. Oh yeah, over there. I got one right here. That way they see it. I got some brake shoes.
Ayaw kayo nang na may ginagmay na yung patong.
250s.
Kakaroon, hinahinay kayo. Ay, kusog ka na kaya ko na.
They look alright.
Yeah.